I am Sonia Blue, principal at Mattawoman Middle School here in Charles County, Maryland. Today we had our beautiful Tomorrow Assembly and it was amazing. Jason delivered as he always does. A message with music, interaction. My kids were involved. It was exciting. They're still talking about it. They'll be talking about it from days to come. Please, 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 please check out Beautiful Tomorrow. It will have an impact on your children.
I don't need you to